All right, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna do something a little different here. So I got a pair of Galaxy Buds Plus here. I was gonna get the Galaxy Buds Live, but they look kind of ugly to me, so I decided not to get those. So yeah, they look like, just beans in your ears. So I just want to go with the conventional earbuds here. We got Galaxy Bud Plus box. Looks box is pretty high quality. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I don't have a fancy knife or anything, so I was going to use a standard butter knife, that sort of thing. Let's see what we got. Come on. Oh, I got a whole slit down here. Silly me. There we go. So, in this little box here, we got, what we got in here? Looks like we got a USB Type-C cable to charge. We got some ear tips. And the actual case. It's got a nice glossy finish. Got the Samsung logo on there. And if you open it up, got the actual earbuds themselves. So we got a red light, so I'm assuming that means this case isn't fully charged, but it has some juice in there. Oh, the case itself is charged, it looks like. I can only assume because the light is green. But the earbuds themselves probably aren't charged, but the case is. Let's see what they look like. Now, got a little, feel like a little magnetic energy inside the case here. Here's one of the earbuds. Yeah, these are nice. And let's go over the initial setup. Let's go ahead and pair these up. All right, so we're back. So now that we got the earbuds unboxed, let's go ahead and get them set up to pair with your phone. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to the Galaxy Wearable app, pick your device. We got the Galaxy Buds/Buds Plus here. Let's wait for it to do its thing here. Excellent. There's the device. Say okay. Say continue. Say allow, yada yada yada. Awesome. We're all set. So it gives you a percentage indicator of the actual earbuds themselves and the actual case. So they came about 3/4 of the way charged, which is pretty awesome. And so it looks like you got your equalizer settings here. You can customize a lot here. Even if you lose your earbuds, you can find them. So let's test this out. Oh, it looks like they're already connected. That's pretty cool. Let's go to touch controls. Okay, so you can customize which earbud does what. So on the left, we're gonna say volume down, and then on the right, we're gonna have volume up just to make it easier. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. Use ambient sound during calls. Yeah, gotta have clear quality. You gotta have clear call quality these days. Let's see. Let's go ahead and try these on. All right, so I had the earbuds in. See if it picks up the mic, and I'm also going to do a sound test. If I did it on a screen recording, it would pick up the music, and YouTube might take it down for copyright and stuff like that. So I'm just going to give you guys some visual cues of how these sound. So if you just tap it once, if you have a song pause, just tap one earbud once and it'll start playing. Wow. Yeah, these sound fantastic. Oh my goodness. And the volume is probably at like 50%. I can hear everything perfectly. Wow. If you double tap, if you double tap, you can skip the track, go to another one. Wow. Granted, these aren't like a noise canceling substitute, but if you really just want some truly wireless earbuds, you just want to just vibe, whether you're going out for a run, at the gym, or even at work, which I'm going to be using them for most times. Yeah, you definitely can't go wrong with these. These are, wow, man. Yeah, you guys definitely need to get you a pair of these. And you don't need to have a Samsung device to use these either. It just, I happen to have a Samsung device, and, just got to get the brand of earphones that just match my phone. You know how it is. But yeah, these are a go. But yeah, just be on the lookout for more tech videos in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until then, I'll catch you guys later.